We've spent the last 20 plus years kind of perfecting that on-site regimen. First and foremost, the guys show up at a specific time, not a window. So if they say 9 a.m., they're there at 8:45. They come dressed to fit in any environment. They wear khakis, polo. They can fit in an executive level C-suite office all the way down to a warehouse. They're low impact. They have 20 plus years of experience of doing exactly this, navigating the hurdles that arise from loading docks to parking on busy streets of San Francisco, New York, all of that stuff. They know how to overcome all of that and be as least impactful to the customer's day-to-day business as possible. We capture by asset type, make, model, serial number, and even do a basic physical condition of the unit. We give them a very specific inventory that we hand off before we ever leave the site, and we both sign it, and we both make sure we're in agreement of exactly what we're taking.